Hi, it's Claire from Mouse Training here. In this video we are going to see how to add up time values in Excel. I must warn you though, this is not a life-changing experience. But if you ever have to add up Excel times, then you'll be glad you watched. Because there is a special time format that you need to use to get sensible results when you calculate the total for time values. Let me show you. Here's my Excel worksheet. It's timesheet and payroll time again. Funny how it has to be done every single week. But I'll be in deep trouble if my guys don't get paid. As you can see, I have everyone listed in the first column and then their start and end times listed in the next two columns. What I need to do is to work out the difference between the two times. And then, finally, add up the last column for total working time. Let's get started. Excel time values are numeric, so this shouldn't be too difficult. The end time is the highest number, and the start time is the lowest. We just take one away from the other to calculate the difference. I'll do the first formula in column E. It's D4 minus C4. Enter it into the cell and drag down to do the others. Fantastic! Now, let's add them up. I'll click on Autosum to add up the time column. Press Enter and there's my total time. Hang on a minute. That result is ludicrous. We can clearly see that 19 hours and 25 minutes is completely wrong. 3 9s are 27. The total hours are way out. Although the minutes look all right. It's not the calculation that's wrong. It's the time format applied to the cell that's not working. We need something that will show us the total aggregate time. This is where we need our special time format code. Let's go and find it. You need to find your list of Excel number formats. Don't look at the time category. You won't find it there. Go to the custom category. You'll be there already if you click more number formats at the end of the list. You won't see it straight away. You need to scroll down the list of format codes until you can see the code. It's the one with square brackets around the H. Click to apply it to the total time cell. Now you have a sensible result. That looks better. 43 hours and 25 minutes. Great. I don't really need to show the seconds in the totals though. Only the total hours and minutes. Let's get rid of the seconds. Just go back into your list of number formats to find the format code. You should see it straight away. Click in the type box and press your backspace key a few times to remove the two S's and the colon from the end of the code. Click OK to apply. Now we have just hours and minutes. Perfect. And you have created a custom number format code. Wow. If you ever need the format code again, then you can copy and paste your formula and the format code will be applied when you paste. Or you can use the format painter to copy from this cell to another one. Or you might prefer to choose the code from the list of number format codes. In which case, go to the custom category, go down the list and you'll find your code near the end of the listing. Watch out! This special code with the seconds removed is only available in this workbook file. If you start a new workbook from scratch, then you'll have to create the code again. Sorry. But it's not difficult to do once you know how. You know, I've always noticed that odd-looking time format code with the H in square brackets. And wondered why it was there. Now we know. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon for another one. Do get in touch if you want any help with your Excel formulas. Maybe you would like to arrange a training course for yourself or for some of your colleagues. You can drop me a line or phone me on the number shown here. Bye for now.